Context managers are a Python language feature that allows you to manage resources and define cleanup actions in a structured and convenient way. They are used with the with statement and ensure that resources are properly set up and cleaned up, even in the presence of exceptions. First, import the context manager function from the context.lib module. Then we can make a context manager by using the context manager function as a decorator. This is a simple timing example to see how much time it takes to execute a function, so it's not a good use of context manager, but it's good for this example. Now to use it we can use the with statement. The yield part of our context manager is where the body of the context manager gets executed. You can even pass data through it. Now we can use the start time inside the context manager to calculate the elapsed time inside there.